Today I'm going to teach you how to set up Amazon Household. This feature allows you to share Amazon Prime benefits, digital content, and payment methods with your family members, making it easier to manage subscriptions and purchases under one account. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to the main Amazon page where you can access all your account features. Next, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various account-related options. From this menu, select Account to proceed to your account settings page. Now, click on your Amazon family. This section is specifically designed to help you manage your household members and share benefits across your family accounts. Clicking this option will take you to the household management interface where you can add or remove members. Once you're in the Amazon Family section, click Add New Member. This is where you'll begin the process of inviting someone to join your household. At this point, you'll be presented with two options, including Send an Invite or Add a Child to your account. These options allow you to either invite an adult who will need to accept your invitation or directly add a child profile that you can manage. For this example, click Send an Invite. This option is ideal when you want to add another adult to your household, such as a spouse or partner. They'll receive an invitation that they need to accept before being added to your household. After selecting this option, type the invitee's name in the designated field. Make sure to enter their name accurately, as this will help identify the household member in your account settings. This step ensures that you can easily distinguish between different members in your household. Next, type the invitee's email in the designated field. This email address is crucial because Amazon will send the household invitation to this address. The person you're inviting will need to check their email and accept the invitation to complete the process. Finally, click Send Invitation to complete the process. Once you do this, Amazon will immediately send an email to the address you provided. The invitee will then need to open that email and follow the instructions to accept your household invitation and link their account with yours. And that's it. You've successfully set up the initial invitation for your Amazon household, allowing you to share benefits and manage content together. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.